This guide is brimming with actionable tips, detailed prompts, and insightful strategies designed to revolutionize your interaction with ChatGPT. Together, we'll unlock the vast potential of this powerful tool, making it an invaluable ally in your daily endeavors. So grab your notepad and let's dive into the world of AI-enhanced productivity and learning. Customize ChatGPT's role. Imagine having access to a personal assistant, tutor, or coach around the clock. With ChatGPT, this isn't just a dream, it's reality at your fingertips. Begin by tailoring ChatGPT's role to suit your unique needs. For instance, try saying, "Act as a fitness coach. What daily exercises do you recommend for someone constantly on the go?" This method personalizes your experience, ensuring the guidance you receive is not only relevant but also perfectly aligned with your lifestyle. By clearly defining the role, ChatGPT can zero in on your requirements, offering focused, practical advice whether you are seeking a creative spark, looking to master a new skill, or needing support in your fitness journey. Customizing ChatGPT's role makes it an indispensable part of your daily routine. Let's explore how this versatile tool can adapt to various roles, providing you with personalized advice, insights, and solutions. How to simplify complex topics. Confronting complex topics can often feel like facing a towering wall, insurmountable and intimidating. But fear not. For ChatGPT is here to transform that wall into a manageable series of steps. Take quantum physics, for example. By asking, "Explain quantum physics like I'm a 10-year-old, what's the coolest thing about it?" You invite ChatGPT to distill the essence of the subject into bite-sized, understandable pieces. This approach demystifies challenging concepts using analogies and simple language to foster a genuine interest and understanding. It's a brilliant strategy for making learning not just accessible but genuinely captivating. Whether you are a lifelong learner or a curious explorer or a dedicated student, this method opens up a world of knowledge, turning daunting subjects into engaging tales of discovery. Let's delve into how ChatGPT can be your guide through a labyrinth of complex ideas, illuminating the path with clarity and simplicity. Need help with study guides creation? The journey through academic materials can be a solitary and daunting endeavor. However, with ChatGPT by your side, it becomes an engaging dialogue, a collaborative effort towards understanding and mastery. Consider the classic To Kill a Mockingbird. By requesting, create a study guide focusing on major themes, character analysis, and key quotes. You unlock ChatGPT's ability to condense and highlight critical information. This prompt transforms ChatGPT into a study partner who is always ready, organizing key insights and facilitating a deeper engagement with the material. It's an innovative way to approach literature, history, science, and more, making study sessions not only more productive but also more enjoyable. Whether you are preparing for an exam, writing a paper, or simply seeking to expand your knowledge, ChatGPT's capacity to synthesize and present information is a game changer. Let's explore how this digital assistant can revolutionize the way you study, turning hours of reading into focused, effective learning experiences. Can ChatGPT help to plan your day? In the fast-paced rhythm of modern life, managing your daily schedule can feel like navigating a complex maze. ChatGPT emerges as a beacon of organization, helping you chart a course through your commitments with ease and efficiency. Picture this: I have a meeting at 10 a.m., a project due by 3 p.m., and a dinner plan at 7 p.m. How should I structure the rest of my day to include work, exercise, and relaxation? This prompt does more than request assistance. It invites ChatGPT to craft a balanced, holistic schedule that respects your professional obligations while also prioritizing your well-being. It exemplifies how ChatGPT can take the mirrored threads of your life: work, health, social engagements, and weave them into a coherent, manageable tapestry. As we delve into strategies for effective time management, discover how ChatGPT can become your personal planner, ensuring that every day is not just productive, but also enriching and balanced. How to improve writing. Writing is an art, a means of expressing ideas, emotions, and insights. Yet, mastering this art requires not just talent, but practice, feedback, and refinement. ChatGPT stands ready to serve as your personal editor, critiquing your work with an eye for clarity, engagement, and style. Consider the prompt: review this paragraph for clarity and engagement. Insert paragraph. How can I elevate its impact? This request opens the door to constructive feedback, guiding you through the process of honing your writing to captivate and inspire your audience. It's an invaluable resource for writers of all levels, from students crafting essays to professionals composing reports and creatives weaving narratives. As we explore techniques to enhance your writing, see how ChatGPT can provide immediate, actionable advice, helping you polish your prose and communicate with confidence and flair. Conclusion. And there we have it. A comprehensive guide leveraging ChatGPT across various aspects of your life. From receiving personalized coaching to simplifying the complex, creating in-depth study guides, meticulously planning your day, and refining your writing. These strategies are designed to amplify your productivity, learning, and creative expression. The key to unlocking ChatGPT's full potential lies in clear communication and specific prompts. So I encourage you to experiment with these examples, tailor them to your needs, and explore the myriad ways ChatGPT can support your goals. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this guide valuable, please like, share, and subscribe, as always, for more insights. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Happy exploring. Dirk Z.